If you've ever wondered how to make your email inbox a revenue generating powerhouse, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to explore how to streamline your email marketing using GoHighlevel. So let's jump right into it. First, let's set the stage by talking about the importance of email marketing. It's not just about sending out newsletters or updates. Email marketing is about building meaningful relationships with your audience and driving sales. In fact, did you know that according to Forbes magazine, for every dollar spent on email marketing, the average return on investment is a staggering $42. Yes, you heard that right, $42. Now, while email marketing is incredibly effective, it can also be quite overwhelming. There's list segmentation, campaign creation, and metric tracking to think about. It's a lot, I know. But don't worry, that's exactly where GoHighlevel comes in to save the day. GoHighlevel is a comprehensive marketing platform designed to make your life easier. It offers everything from automation and segmentation to analytics, all in one convenient platform. Imagine not having to jump between multiple tools to manage your email campaigns. It actually sounds like a dream, doesn't it? So what makes HighLevel so special? Let's break it down. First, there's automation. With GoHighlevel, you can set up automated email sequences that nurture your leads and guide them down the sales funnel. No more manual sending or scheduling. The platform does it all for you. Next, we have segmentation. GoHighlevel allows you to segment your audience based on various factors like behavior, location, and engagement. This means you can send targeted emails that resonate with specific groups, increasing your chances of conversion. And let's not forget about analytics. GoHighlevel provides you with detailed metrics like open rates and click-through rates, enabling you to track the performance of your campaigns and make data-driven decisions. Getting started with GoHighlevel is incredibly easy. All you have to do is import your existing email list, create your campaign using their intuitive interface, and let the platform handle the rest. You can even run A/B tests to find out which email versions are most effective with your audience. And if you're worried about costs, don't be. GoHighlevel offers a range of pricing plans to fit different budgets, starting as low as $97 per month. So there's something for everyone. So to wrap it up, GoHighlevel is your all-in-one solution for turning your email inbox into a consistent revenue stream. It's efficient, reliable, and it's user-friendly. What more could you ask for? If you're ready to take your email marketing to the next level with GoHighlevel, I've got something special for you. Check out my Quick Start Playbook for GoHighlevel. It's a free course and snapshot that will give you a jump start on maximizing your email marketing efforts with this amazing platform. You can find the playbook at my website, nicholaspap.com, and the link is also in the description below. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss out on any of our future insights.